Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and this video is about 10 stocks which I'm looking at right now, and I feel this might be a buying opportunity in those stocks. You can buy it for long term, you can buy it for short term, but preferably long term as well. These might be the good entry points which I'm going to tell you in this video. The reason being, these stocks are 10 to 15% of their 52 weeks high. So that is a good correction. And if you get a stock which is a quality stock and which has corrected 15 to 20%, mostly what happens is there is fear in those stocks and people don't want to buy those stocks. But once the buying comes back in, then the moves can be pretty good. So you should add those stocks to your list. And if there is a buying momentum in the future in these stocks in the coming days, then you can start buying these stocks. Firstly, the market right now is not very favorable to buy any other stock. Right now we have to be very strategic with what we buy, and the quality stocks are the ones which we should be buying and not any other stock in the market. It is really important to look at quality stocks and buy those stocks, because now we would want a return which is beating the market, and the quality stocks are the ones which have these quality stocks have corrected, and you want to enter at this point in these stocks. And what really happens is the scenario is like this, that there is sectorial rotation in the market. So when that happens, the stocks which are near the highs start correcting, and the ones which you have seen have already corrected would see some buying back coming back in. So bear in mind, quality stocks are the ones to be in. There is a possibility that the stocks might have fallen because the market has sensed that the stocks aren't pretty good as it was expected, or there are some issues in the company, and for that reason the stocks have come down. So don't enter those plays, and even if you enter and if there is no buying momentum, then just take a stop loss and exit your positions. So let's go and let's look at the 10 stocks which I'm talking about. These 10 stocks can be on your list, and you can buy them for long term or short term depending upon your investment horizon. Disclaimer, always consult a financial advisor before buying any stocks. This is just to make you aware of the stocks which have corrected, and don't follow me blindly. Do your own research as well. So the first stock is Aurobindo Pharma. So Aurobindo Pharma has, let's go and look at the monthly chart, because the stock has corrected a lot. So Aurobindo Pharma has corrected pretty well, and it is approximately 35% below its all 52-week highs. So its 52-week highs were around 1063, and right now it is at 687. So it has corrected pretty well, and if you see, there is a good support which I'm sensing at these levels, and I don't see it going below 650 in the near term. And there is a concept of Fibonacci, and you can check how much it has corrected. So it has corrected 50% of the previous trend. So it is really important to look at the corrected levels, and this is a good level. I think you can buy Aurobindo Pharma around these levels of 680. So you can start accumulating Aurobindo Pharma. The next stock is Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto also saw some selling yesterday and fell 3% yesterday. So we will look at the weekly charts. I'm seeing something in the weekly charts. So this stock, if you look at it, is in a range in the weekly charts. From 4350 4400 levels, it is in a range, and the lower part of that range is 3460 levels. So I think you can start buying right now, and you can start buying it for long term till 3460 levels. So Bajaj Auto, you can buy it and accumulate till it falls to 3500, and you can start accumulating now as well, so that if it goes up, you don't miss the trend. The next one is HCL Tech. So HCL Tech, we will look at the weekly good levels, perfect levels, which I think will be good for buying, will be 1100. But I don't sense it going down till those levels. But if you get around 1150, this is a great buying level. This is one stock which has been on radar of all the big analysts, but what has really happened that the IT sector has seen some buying, but it is only HCL Tech which hasn't seen a good buying. And post results as well, there wasn't any buying and good momentum in the stock, but I think this is a good long term stock you should add to your portfolio. Then the next stock is Hindalco. Hindalco is properly set up for a good uptrend from here. If you get any dip towards 450 in Hindalco, you can buy it for long term. HUL, great setup. I really like this setup right now. So there is a good buying levels and a good trend line which this stock has been following, and right now it is at the support of the trend line. So I think from 2400 levels it should see some buying momentum, and the stock should bounce and might go and test back its 52 weeks high near 2850. So Hindustan Unilever is another stock which you can add. IGL has corrected pretty well from its 52-week highs. It is around 18%, 17-18% below its 52-week highs, and it is currently at a good buying zone. If you get any dip towards 470, 480, it is a good buying zone, and I would recommend this to add to your portfolio. This is a good stock. Then another stock from the steel sector, disclaimer that I am holding this stock in my portfolio and its 52-week highs are somewhere around 500. So right now it is 20% off its 52-week highs, and it is, again, let's go and look at the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci says that in the daily charts, the previous trend was from 350 to 474, and right now it is at 398, which is a great retracement which this stock has seen. So I think you can add this stock as well to your portfolio. And the next one is one of my favorite trading stocks in the market. Whenever this stock sees a momentum, this stock respects its level pretty well. The stock is Deepak Nitrite. It is off around 22% from its all 52-week highs, and I think this is a good buying zone in Deepak Nitrite. 2300 levels, if you see in the coming days, you should buy around those levels and hold this stock in your portfolio. A lot of people are holding the next stock. The name of the stock is IRCTC, and it's one of the favorite stocks of investors and traders as well. The stock, if you see the levels, this was in September, this was the highs which it wasn't able to break in September, but then in October first week it broke those levels, and now it has come back to test those levels around 800. So I think if you get any dip in this stock is a good addition at these levels, because it has seen a good correction of around 30%. It saw a stock split as well, and post that there was a selling momentum, but I am sensing a rebound from this level and might be heading towards 1200 by mid next year or earlier than that. But I think this is a good addition to your portfolio. And the last one is from the pharma sector. The stock's name is Alembic Pharma. So this was the area where this stock was consolidating for quite some time, from 2015 to 2020. This was the region it was consolidating, but then it broke out of this consolidation area and then went up, and now it has come back to test that area. It has corrected approximately 32% from its 52 weeks high, and now it has come back to test that level. I think these levels will hold, and this stock should see a momentum, and you can add this in your portfolio, and the stock might be heading for 1000 levels soon. So when pharma sector sees some buying, the two stocks which I think you should add to your portfolio is the Aurobindo Pharma and Alembic Pharma. So you should add these stocks and do your own research. But guys, I think you should now look at the stocks which have corrected 15 to 20% and add those stocks to your portfolio. And when there is a rotation in the future, when the stocks which are near their 52 weeks high right now, and when they correct, then you should start looking at those stocks. So this was the video on the 10 stocks which I was talking about, and see you soon and see you in the next video. Do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.